Hi, Jade here, and today I'm going to review the WYZE nightlight. This comes in a 3-pack, so you can have one for the stairwell, the bathroom, or your bedroom. Pretty much anywhere you want to put these. They are lightweight, they're easy to use. They also have a couple of features that are awesome. They have a dusk to dawn, which means they'll come on at dusk and then go back off at dawn, so you don't have, it's kind of a set it and forget it type thing. Or you can also set it as a motion sensor, so that's kind of nice. One thing I like about these is the lighting is kind of the warm, soft light, so if you're getting up to go to the bathroom, it's not going to blind you. These are really easy to install. You just attach this to the wall, and then this is a magnetic, so when you put it up here, ta-da, it just holds it right there. This has 3 settings. You've got an auto, an on, and an off, and you've also got a USB-C port here so that you can charge it that way. And here's what it looks like when it's on. As you can see, it's a very soft, warm light, which makes it easy on the eyes if you're getting up at night. So if you're looking for a lightweight, easy to use night light, I highly recommend this.